everybody, and welcome back to the KitFox channel. My name is Matt Conager and I'm building a KitFox Model 7 STI. In the previous episode, you saw me installing the control column with pilot and co-pilot sticks. From there I added the flap handle and had a little problem with the detent pin, but I got that resolved. In this episode, I'm going to be continuing on from where I left off. We'll go from the flap handle to the Flaperon mixer, which is installed just behind the pilot and co-pilot seat. You'll get to see the installation of those bushings. And then as I move aft, I'll be putting in the push-pull tubes, working all the way back to the elevator. So stick with me and we'll get back into the video. Thank you. Steps, there's these options. Right now I'm going to test fit the mixer assembly. That's this unit here. I'm going to test fit that in between the two bushings that I just installed to determine the best positioning of the AN960-416 and the 416Ls. There are these two washers that I keep using interchangeably. The 960 or the AN960-10 is a little thicker, and the AN960-10L is a little thinner, so they're interchangeable. Alexa, cancel the reminder. They're interchangeable, and as I spoke on the phone to KitFox last week when I had a question about putting in that servo, there's a little bit of leeway. I was told that I could bend the tabs a little bit if I needed to accommodate the washers, or adjust alignment, or remove a washer, or replace a washer. So that's what I'll be doing again. Hopefully I don't run out of the thin ones, because I'm going to be using a lot more of those. Then everything, the tolerance is very tight usually on all the items, and removing the powder coating I think is too minimal to even get another washer in there without pushing those tabs out farther. And I don't want to flare those tabs out, so I'll keep going. I had to test fit everything down here, so they call for a possibly a thin or a thick washer on the outside, and then there's the bushing, the bearing, the bushing, washer, and castle nut. Normally I don't have enough room on the castle nuts to put the cotter pin in, but this time I have more than enough space, so I think I have to change this outside washer to a thick washer on both sides. I think that's going to take up that space, so that nut isn't loose. So that's what I'm about to do. So here we go.
guys, thanks for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. And if you did, leave me a comment. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, the bell for notifications when future videos come out, which should be every Monday. Thanks again, and have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.